This is Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, and today I'll show how you can fix the Wi-Fi connectivity problems on this device. So I recommend that you begin by making sure that your time and date are properly set and are correctly synchronized. And the way to do that is to launch Settings, enter System category, then open Date and Time Preferences. And here switch on two options, set time automatically and set time zone automatically as well. If that didn't help, you can try to enter the network and internet category of settings and toggle the Wi-Fi feature off and on. And the final troubleshooting method that I recommend you try is to restore default Wi-Fi preferences and settings by entering the system category. Once again, then open the reset options list. Here select the reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, confirm, and here you have it. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.